ChatGPT Image 2.0 is awesome, but if you're working inside of ChatGPT and you're trying to create several different photos or images for content online, you're going to be waiting a very long time unless you do this one thing I'm about to show you. Instead of asking ChatGPT to create each individual one after the other, which can take hours depending on how many images you have, ask ChatGPT to create a downloadable prompt pad that contains a prompt for each image you're generating as well as a master style prompt. Download that file, upload it to Codex, and then tell Codex, create this slide deck. And now Codex is going to read the file, understand the style, understand the prompts, and it's going to start creating the slide deck. And if it starts off trying to use PowerPoint like Codex did here with me, you can steer the model without interrupting it and tell it to use ChatGPT Image 2.0. And the model has no problem letting you know that it shifted its direction to do as you requested. And just like that, you can see that Codex has created a full PowerPoint slide deck for me.